Hello everyone. So today we will start the new chapter and the name of the chapter is Simple Compound and Complex Sentences. Let's begin the chapter. Chapter 17 Simple Cut. Chapter 17 Simple Compound and Complex Sentences. Simple sentence contain करता है just one subject or one predicate. Simple sentence के एक finite verb होता है. There may however be phrases हो सकते हैं with non-finite verbs. Simple sentences के just one independent clause होता है. Example, in the morning I go to the park. You are going to the temple. Now comes to the exercise. You have to identify the subject or finite verb in this sentence. Sachin went to buy some fruits. So Sachin आपका subject. Sachin हो गया subject. और finite verb हुआ went. इस तरीके से officer looks worried. तो officer हो गया subject. और looks हो गया finite verb. The bees collected nectar buzzing all day. तो bees आपका subject. Collecting is your verb, finite verb. तो इस तरीके से ही आपको ढूंढने हैं. Now comes compound sentences. Sentences with two or more main clause होते हैं वो compound sentences होते हैं. Compound sentences दो और more simple sentences को join करके करते हैं conjunctions के through. There are two kinds of conjunctions जो join करते हैं simple sentences को compound बनाने के लिए. जैसे quadratic conjunctions for, and, nor, but, or, yet, so, etc. Correlative conjunctions होते हैं either or, neither, nor, though, yet, hardly, when, etc. He was guilty, he went into hiding. He was guilty and went into hiding. Boy worked hard, he didn't succeed. The boy worked hard, but he didn't succeed. Joy is not rich, he is not famous. Joy is neither rich nor famous. In the first sentences, there are two independent clauses joined by the conjunction and. Second sentence में also two independent clauses हैं joined by the coordinating conjunction but. Third sentence में two independent clause है जो correlative conjunction से join हो रहे हैं hardly, neither, nor. तो compound sentence के दो और more finite verbs होते हैं, independent clause होते हैं. क्लॉजेस एक कंपाउंड सेंटेंस के अंदर इक्वल रैंक के होते हैं उनको कोऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज कहते हैं. नाउ लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज. वी हैव टू कंबाइन दी सिंपल सेंटेंस टू फॉर्म कंपाउंड बनाने के लिए इसको कंबाइन करना है. द बॉय वाज इल, ही वेंट टू द हॉस्पिटल. द बॉय वाज इल so he went to the hospital. I was tired, I could not do any work. I was very tired, so I could not do any work. तो इस तरीके से आपको ये सेंटेंस बनाने. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस. अ सेंटेंस विद अ मेन क्लॉज एंड वन और मोर सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज उसे हम कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंस कहते हैं. एग्जांपल है बिफोर आई हैव बोर्डेड द ट्रेन, आई बॉट सम चिप्स एंड अ बॉटल ऑफ वाटर. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज हो गया आई एम नॉट टायर्ड ऑल्दो. मेन क्लॉज हो गया आई हैव वॉक्ड 5 किलोमीटर्स. मेन क्लॉज सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉज. सबऑर्डिनेट क्लॉजेस को आप एडवर्ब क्लॉज भी हो सकते हैं, एडजेक्टिव क्लॉज और नाउन क्लॉज भी हो सकते हैं. जैसे माई ब्रदर कंफ्यूज दैट ही वॉज गिल्टी, तो ये नाउन क्लॉज. He brought the car which belonged to his father, adjective clause. Although it was a rainy day, we were out without raincoats, adverb clause. Now let's do the exercise. We have to join the following sentence to form complex sentence using the words in brackets. The doors are closed. There is a storm outside. The doors are closed since there is a storm outside. This is the flower which it को cut कर देंगे which has a strange smell. I had an umbrella. I got drenched in the rain. Although I had an umbrella, I got drenched in the rain. This is the village we used to live 10 years ago. This is the village where we used to live 10 years ago. Nina was sad, she failed in the exam. Nina was sad while she failed in the exam. So like this आपको ये join करना है. Then comes to the next, we have to join the following sentences to form compound sentence. Make necessary modifications while forming compound structure. Ambika wrote letter, she posted it. Ambika wrote the letter and posted it. Full stop. She is ill, she is happy. She is ill but happy. You can sing, you can dance. You can sing or dance. He does not eat sweets, he does not eat salty foods. He does not eat sweets. He does not eat sweets as well as salty foods. Full stop. ऐसे ही आपको इन्हें ज्वाइन करना है. I hope you all have understood this chapter. You can go through it again. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.